Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install this VW HU1 detachable handle for the Panasonic HC-X1500. Basically, I'll turn this into a X2000. And the way you install this is pretty simple. On top of the camcorder here, right here is a little door, and it even says handle connector, so that one goes in there and don't fall. And this part here, this one will go in this compartment. This part here will slide into the shoe. So if you can have an angle, hopefully the camera can pick it up. So this part here will go down. Oh yeah, and this screw over here will go into this hole. Alright, so this one here goes into the hole, the little compartment there. It goes down, push forward, and lock it in with this one. So, and now it looks like a X2000. I think there's only one difference between the X2000 and the 1500, but I don't remember what it was, so I can't tell you. I don't want to say the wrong one. Anyway, to remove it, you do the opposite. Just unscrew that part here and slide out. Alright, so I'll do it this way to install. Align this one with the compartment here. Slide forward and lock it in. Until it's tight. There you go. Now you have a handle. Alright, that's how you install a VW-HU1 detachable handle unit for the HC-X1500, which pretty much convert this into a X2000 camcorder. Alright, that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I hope this helped, and I see you next time. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Good night or goodbye.